Alright guys, so just a quick update for Bitcoin. So if you notice that the price is continuously coming down, we haven't had any relief rally in the Bitcoin. Even though price is currently sitting at very critical support, where the last time when the market was trading in this region between 30 and $35,000, we saw that the how price actually reversed and moved up pretty strongly. So now the price is coming back down again, once again, to test this region. And whether it's going to hold or not, we'll know in a couple of days. Right now, so far, I'm watching, waiting for a volume to come in. Not seeing any significant volume, just a little bit of it, but nothing that will significant give me some significance that the buyers are in there in the market. So last time when you notice, when we had a drop into the 30,000 area, we had a very strong volume right there. Um, but then this time we're still waiting for that volume to come in. We're not even close to that. This wick right there had some volume behind it, but not enough to push the price upward. And now we are trading below this region, and we're still below. Volume is very low, so which means that likely price will continue to dip down. Now, what is our next significant level? Now, obviously, everybody's watching for this area to hold anywhere between 30,000, 35,000 to $29,000 or $28,000 region. However, this area has been tested multiple times already. If you notice this was the first time when price come back down from 41,000 all the way to 29,000 and moved up higher. Then second time it came back down, tested a couple of times, moved up once again to 68,000. Now this is a third time that price is coming back down to test this region. Whether it will hold or not, we'll have to wait for a couple of days. But if this area doesn't hold, that the only next level that I'm watching for that we might have some hidden buyers behind it is this area right there. We'll know exactly, I mean, a couple of days whether it wants to come back down to $90,000, because if you look at the weekly trend, if you look at the weekly, let me delete these lines. This previous high hasn't been tested yet. Whether Bitcoin will stretch all the way down here, it's hard to tell at this time. We have a weekly 200 moving average which is sitting right at the $24,000 level. So that's the reason I'm watching for this area, right? This area right there as a key technical support. That if we lose this region, between 30,000 to $35,000 region, then the next area that we would be looking at for price to bounce back up hard is this $24,000 to $23,000 region. Anyway, so far the Bitcoin is coming down hard, but there's no significant volume behind it to reverse the price up. In order for Bitcoin to reverse, it needs to break above $44,000 level strongly. So we have a price coming back down. We need some sort of a V formation, price to break above it, and then price to hold above it before we can says that, okay, we want to move higher. Even if we go above, we have a 200-day moving average, which is coming down. So we're going to have some resistance or hard time to break above it. Anyway, we'll have to wait and see how it goes. But right now, the price is dripping hard. This is not the market to basically open any short-term trading position. But if you're buying it for long-term, that's a different thing. You have to have a strategy even to buy it for a long-term. You have to wait for price to hold above the key technical support area and then make some buying decisions accordingly. Otherwise, don't try to pick top and bottoms. Right now is not the time for trading. Anyway, I hope you like this video.